Welcome to the world of immersion blenders, where blending meets brilliance without the need for a bulky countertop appliance. If you've ever found yourself wrestling with a traditional blender while trying to whip up a soup or smoothie, you know the struggle is real. Fear not, culinary adventurers. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best immersion blenders that'll have you blending like a pro, without leaving your kitchen in chaos. So, grab your apron and let's get ready to blend our way to culinary glory. All product links are waiting for you in the description below. Want a deeper dive? Check out our website, TopPicksNow.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you never miss our latest picks. Let's jump into it. Number 5. Mueller Austria Ultra Stick, our pick for best budget immersion blender. Are you tired of your average kitchen gadgets that leave you feeling uninspired? Enter the Mueller Stick Blender, the unsung hero of your culinary adventures. With a powerful 500-watt copper motor, this little dynamo is ready to help you whip up everything from ultra-smooth baby food to smoothies that'll make your taste buds cheer. Say goodbye to clunky blenders and hello to silky soups and rich sauces made easy right in your kitchen. You'll love the sturdy construction that rivals those fancy, price-gouging blenders, proving that you don't have to break the bank for stellar performance. Plus, it comes with delightful attachments like a milk frother, because who doesn't want to upgrade their lattes to cafe-level goodness? And let's not forget the whisk for whipping cream or mixing eggs. Your sandwiches are about to level up. Now, don't stress about organization. While wrangling those attachments can be a bit of a puzzle, cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse the parts under warm water or toss them in the dishwasher, and voila, easy peasy. So why stick with the boring when you can jazz up your cooking experience with the Mueller Stick Blender? You'll find it becomes indispensable in your kitchen, making meal prep not just simpler, but a lot more fun. Get ready to elevate your culinary game one delicious blend at a time. Number 4. Braun MultiQuick 5, our pick for best small immersion blender. Are you tired of heavy immersion blenders that leave your arm feeling like you've just run a marathon? Say hello to the Braun MultiQuick 5, the lightweight kitchen sidekick that gives you all the blending power without the bicep burn. Perfect for whipping up a mountain of soups and smoothies, this delightful gadget ensures your culinary adventures remain effortless and enjoyable. Now, let's talk about its blending arm. Sure, it's a bit shorter than some of its hefty competitors, but that just means it can comfortably slide into your kitchen drawer, saving you precious countertop real estate. Plus, with a whisk attachment in tow, you'll be whipping up creamy delights and zesty dressings faster than you can say bon appetit. While it won't be winning any awards for ice-crushing prowess, the MultiQuick 5 shines when creating decadent nut butter and smooth hummus. And let's not forget, you can blend in peace without the racket of a jet engine. Just be aware that raw greens like kale might throw a few tantrums, but cooked veggies, they'll blend like a dream. So if you're ready to elevate your kitchen game with a trusty compact blender that's as efficient as it is charming, the Braun MultiQuick 5 is your new best friend. Get ready to blend your way to culinary greatness. Still on the hunt for that ideal immersion blender? No worries, more gems are coming up. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe and tap the bell to stay in the loop. New videos are always around the corner. Number 3. KitchenAid Variable Speed, our pick for best immersion blender with pan guard. Are you on the hunt for an appliance that whips up salad dressings quicker than you can say vinaigrette? Look no further than the KitchenAid model. It's your new culinary sidekick. Not only does it churn out larger batches of your favorite tangy concoctions for those meal prep marathons, but it also transforms soups into a velvety perfection that might just have you questioning why you ever settled for store-bought. One feature that'll make you do a little happy dance is the pan guard. This clever accessory envelops the sharp metal cage, ensuring your cherished Dutch oven survives your blending escapades without a scratch. Say goodbye to those dreaded kitchen mishaps haunting your cookware. While you're creating herbaceous masterpieces, you might spot a few fine specks floating around. Think of them as confetti celebrating your culinary triumph. Don't worry, they won't ruin the smooth texture of your sauce. In fact, those tiny pieces just add character to your creation. And for all you design aficionados, KitchenAid has got you covered with 9 vibrant colors to choose from. Who says your kitchen gadgets can't be as stylish as your culinary skills? So gear up to mix, blend, and transform your ingredients, all while adding a splash of flair to your kitchen. Cooking should be fun, and with the right tools, it's a whirlwind of flavor and personality. Number 2. Vitamix Stainless Steel Blender, our pick for a best power immersion blender. Are you tired of smoothies that resemble chunky veggie stews? Say goodbye to the lumpy nightmare with the Vitamix Immersion Blender, your new kitchen sidekick that bridges the gap between amateurs and culinary rock stars. This handheld wonder isn't just a blender, it's an experience praised by both professional chefs and home cooking enthusiasts. With 5 adjustable speeds at your fingertips, you can whip your ingredients into submission for a glorious 4 minutes, turning mundane soups and sauces into velvety masterpieces. Worried about those precious non-stick pans? Fret not! The heat-safe shield ensures your cookware stays scratch-free as you blend your way to deliciousness. Cleanup? A breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your creations. That generous 5-foot cord lets you move freely, blending and twirling like a kitchen wizard. Whether you're turning a jar into homemade mayonnaise or conjuring up a quick smoothie, this immersion blender is designed to support your culinary escapades. Sure, it might cost a bit more than some of its counterparts, but the Vitamix Immersion Blender is a wise investment in durability and performance. With 625 watts of power and a compact design, it's the trusty companion your kitchen has always needed. Embrace the bliss of blending perfection and elevate your dishes to new heights. Before we reveal our top pick, take a look at the links in the description for the most up-to-date deals. If you're enjoying this content, hit subscribe and stay informed on the best products on the market. Number 1. Cuisinart CASB 179, our pick for best immersion blender overall. Are you ready to take your culinary game to the next level? Enter Cuisinart's Immersion Blender, your new kitchen sidekick that's here to make blending as smooth as your favorite smoothie. With its seamless transition between continuous and pulse blending, you can channel your inner chef and customize the speed like a pro. No more guessing games, you're the captain of this blending ship. Cranking it up to max is tempting, but remember, gentler speeds work wonders on delicate foods like avocados, keeping your kitchen mess-free. Let's talk about those user-friendly controls. You've got 2 buttons, one for blending and one for safety. Think of it as your own personal kitchen bouncer, ensuring you stay in the blending zone without any surprises. Engaging the safety lock might feel a bit overzealous, but it's all about keeping you blissfully worry-free. But wait, there's more! The included jar is practically begging to be filled with smoothies that will have your friends lining up for a taste. Got a salsa craving? The chopper attachment has your back. Need to whisk up some eggs for an omelet? The whisk attachment will get it done in no time. With a powerful 300-watt motor, Cuisinart is ready to tackle whatever culinary adventure you throw at it. Roll up those sleeves and let's get blending. Kitchen success is just a whirl away. That's a wrap. If you had half as much fun watching our list of best immersion blenders as we did putting it together, hit that like button and show some love with a subscribe. Thinking of picking one? Tell us which in the comments. Which product had you saying, "I need this"? Thanks for hanging out. See you in the next one.